Can you tell the difference between black obsidian, black tourmaline, and onyx? There is something intensely alluring, magical, and mystical about black crystals and stones. Gazing at them is like looking into infinity. Whether raw or polished, they are excellent choices for beaded bracelets and a wide range of crystal jewelry pieces, adding sophistication to any occasion. What features define black obsidian, black tourmaline, and onyx, and how can you tell them apart? It might be easier to recognize them in their raw form since they are strikingly different. But in a beaded bracelet, for example, is there a way to tell the difference? Is it possible to establish the authenticity of crystal in a piece of jewelry? Facts about each gem. You've probably seen and admired these gems, even if you weren't quite sure what you were looking at. Here are some facts about each of these three types of gemstones. Black obsidian. A deep reflective stone when polished, black obsidian is shiny, smooth, and hard. A popular choice for home decor and crystal jewelry, this elegant gemstone has its origins in the heart of a volcano. It is formed from lava that cools very quickly. Even though many people refer to black obsidian as a crystal, it is technically volcanic glass. However, its beauty makes it supremely popular for beaded bracelets and necklaces and many other jewelry pieces. Black tourmaline. This eye-catching gem comes in many colors, including black, and has a distinctive crystal structure. It's made of long crystal columns in the shape of three-sided prisms. This alone makes tourmaline quite impressive, as it's classified as having a ditrigonal pyramidal shape that many are drawn to. Its unique symmetry makes black tourmaline nothing short of exquisite. Iron gives this crystal its color. Tourmaline describes a family of minerals with the same basic crystal structure. Many healers believe in its ability to clear spaces by soaking up negative energy. Onyx, like agate, black onyx has telltale layered parallel bands, and it's not uncommon to see white streaks running alongside each other in this exotic crystal. Throughout history, it's been a popular gemstone for intricate carvings as well as delicate crystal jewelry. Ancient Romans used it as protection in battle, and midwives in England kept it nearby to help mothers during childbirth. A type of microcrystalline quartz, black onyx has an appearance that's been described as everything from marble to a smooth block of ice. What to notice in their raw form? These gems have specific characteristics you can look for to help you identify them in their raw state. Here is what you'll find upon closer inspection. Black obsidian. Glassy appearance, reflective, different shapes, similar to frozen liquid, smooth, typically jet black, lustrous black tourmaline. Prismatic long columns, glassy black layers arranged side by side, inky black color, ridged, grooved straight lines, straight formation layers, high brilliance, twinkles. Onyx. Black with sometimes white bands, marble-like appearance, opaque or slightly transparent, layered, parallel bands, icy, smooth. You can own crystal jewelry, artwork, or home decor pieces that incorporate the raw form of these gemstones. And based on the above descriptions, it can be reasonably easy to tell the gems apart. But when they're polished, these beautiful stones are refined and transformed, taking on a whole different look. Establishing authenticity in crystal jewelry. If you are considering buying a beaded bracelet or necklace made from black stones, the beads will likely be highly polished. It's important then to know what to look for when trying to differentiate between onyx, tourmaline, and obsidian in their finish.